First of all, customize the quick access toolbar and show menu bar. Next step, from the drop down menu tools, activate the command quick select. In dialog window, set the property of quick select, maybe red, and color or layer maybe 2, and click OK. We see but layer 2 is yellow, is selected. OK. Next step, we can select quick select, maybe red, color red, and open it to current selection set, and OK. But I haven't red color object. OK. Select some quick select some maybe some layer, but layer 4, and OK. We see layer 4 and layer 2 selected. That's all about quick select on the AutoCAD.